Smvdu a beautiful campus surrounded by amazing mountains. From here, we can see the peaceful and green hills. Here is the Smvdu Institute of Medical Excellence. Students love to relax at the coffee shop and read paper. People enjoy tea, lunch, and spend times together. Students sit in group talking and laughing. This is the administrative block, the heart of the campus. The central library is calm and full of knowledge. The Red Rock area is one of the most famous spots. With the mountain view all around, Smvdu truly feels special. Sports are an essential part of Smvdu life, from football and cricket to yoga and athletics. Smvdu, where knowledge meets nature and students grow with dreams and determination.